In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your episode. If you need an offline copy of your show for backups, sharing with a collaborator, or pulling a quick clip, this process is simple and only takes a minute. I'll walk you through it slowly so you know exactly where everything is and what to expect. First, log in into Spotify for podcasters. Use the account you normally manage your show with and make sure you're signing into the workspace that actually owns the podcast you want to download. If you manage more than one show, double check the podcast name in the header so you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're in, open the episodes section. You'll find it on the main dashboard navigation. This page lists all of your episodes, usually with the most recent at the top. You can scan the list, use the search bar, or apply filters to find exactly what you need. You'll also see whether each episode is published or still a draft, along with useful details like publish date and duration to help you confirm you've got the right one. Next, select your episode. Click the episode title to open its details page. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct episode by checking the description, artwork, and runtime. If there's a built-in preview player, you can scrub a few seconds to double-check the audio before downloading. Now locate the download option. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a button on the episode page or inside a small menu icon, often shown as 3 dots. Click Download. Your browser will begin saving the audio file, typically as an MP3. If you're prompted to choose a location, pick a folder you'll remember. If not, your default downloads folder is where it will land. Consider renaming the file with a clear convention, something like show name episode number, so you can find it easily later. If you don't see the download option, try refreshing the page. Make sure you have the right permissions for this podcast and confirm you're logged into the correct account. Browser extensions or pop-up blockers can sometimes interfere, so disabling those temporarily or switching browsers may help. If the issue persists, check the Spotify for Podcasters Help Center for any current notices. Once the download finishes, open the file and play a few seconds to verify audio quality. That's it. You've successfully downloaded your episode, ready for safe archiving, quick reviews, or sharing with your team. Thanks for watching and happy podcasting.